We're always looking for unique and innovative ways to help make your home a little bit smarter. Here's a device that can stop the flow of water in your home if you get a leak. Plus, you can control it with your phone or voice. There are all types of devices out there. They range from hundreds of dollars to this one for about $50. Some other types are specific to water valves like the kind you find on your clothes washer. But this device is used on the water valves that use a lever to control the flow of water, similar to what you would find with the main water supply of a home. That's where we're going to install this one. The setup is pretty simple. Just attach it to the water pipe using the clamp that comes with it. Make sure the robotic arm fits easily over the water shutoff lever. Plug it in and sync it up with your home's Wi-Fi network. You'll need to install the appropriate app so you can control the device. Once that's done, you're all set. So I just installed the smart water valve downstairs. Now let's test it out. Turn on the water here at the sink. Pull up my app, and with a push of the button and a swipe, the water is turning off. Now let's also see through my home assistant. Can I turn it back on? Alexa, valve on.
Okay.
And the water's coming back on through our home assistant and my voice. Just another great solution that you can make your house a powerhouse.
Have you ever experienced a water leak? Pipes and appliances, especially those old ones, can spring a leak and cause significant damage, and they can cost a lot of money to repair. Well, we found a nifty gadget that will help put your mind at ease. This is a smart water sensor. There are all types of them out there, ranging from a few $100s to this one at about $30. It's battery powered, which can last for months, and you can also monitor the battery life from your phone. Now in this case, the water sensors are these 3 pegs right here. And there's also a convenient adapter that comes with this one. You slide that there. And then this little disc has a long cord so you can easily slide it into hard to reach spaces, like under an appliance. So just figure out where you need it, under a sink, next to your water heater, or even next to your sump pump. And then pair it up with a free downloadable app, and whenever the sensor comes into contact with water, in this case it's a damp sponge, it will sound an audible alarm, and you'll also be notified on your phone. Wi-Fi water leak sensors are just another way to give you peace of mind and make your house a powerhouse.